birthdays need not be celebrated with a cake, especially for a special person. Happy 60th birthday, Guddu. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. I know this isn't what we had planned for your big 6-0, but I'm so glad that we can still spoil you and make a fuss even while being so far away. Today is a celebration of your unconditional love and the joy you bring to every room you walk into. I love you so much and I miss you more and more as the days go by. Can't wait to give you a big hug and kiss and maybe even listen to a lecture or two. Happy birthday.
Hi, this is Cake 57. Wish you with you in Hong Kong to celebrate the big 6-0. Cannot wait to celebrate with you, hopefully in New York, when you can meet Little Lamb soon, and you can share your latest and greatest secrets about the snake oil you take to stay calm. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Momsy. I miss you so much, and there's nothing more that I want to do than give you the biggest hug today. I cannot wait till I see you next, and don't you worry, all our celebrations are still going to continue. I hope you have the most wonderful day and that you celebrate you for all your love, your warmth, your kindness. I love you to the moon and back times infinity. Miss you so much.
Hi, happy birthday. My third video, because मैं जब बोलती हूँ तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ plate pass करना. But this time I'll remember. So this has your favorite pugga. I finally got it. So I love you. Very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Munuma.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Didi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Munuma. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Munuma. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Munna.
Happy birthday, Munnu. Dearest sister, soulmate, friend.
Happy birthday to my favorite aunt. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Sorry we couldn't be there in person to celebrate, but we will see you hopefully soon in London or Delhi or Hong Kong. Until then, have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Munna.
Happy birthday, Masi.
Happy birthday, Masi.
Many happy returns of the day, dear Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian Auntie.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Cheers to your 60.
Happy 60th birthday, Vivian, from all of us. Keep smiling, remain young. Cheers to good health and happiness.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Enjoy the great day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Didi. Enjoy, stay safe, have fun. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Love you.
Happy birthday, Vivian. 60th is rocking.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Happy 60th. Have a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Many happy returns of the day to you.
Many happy returns of the day, Vivian. Wish you a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Auntie Vivian. Wishing you lots of happiness, good health, and love for the year ahead. Have a fantastic 60th.
Hi, Vivian. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Many happy returns of the day, Didi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Munna Masi.
Happy birthday, Munna Didi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Masi.
Happy birthday, Supergirl.
Wish you all the best.
Have a lovely time.
Vivian, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Many more to come. Enjoy. Love you.
Happy returns of the day, Munna. God bless you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Have a fabulous day and a wonderful journey through your 60s and beyond. Lots of love and hugs. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Vivian. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Jio hazaron saal. Happy birthday to you, Vivian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vivian. Happy birthday to you.
Welcome to the Seniors Club.
Vivian Auntie, sending you lots of love.
Happy birthday, Vivian Auntie. Have a good time.
Many happy returns of the day, Vivian. All the best.
Happy birthday, Vivian. All the very best.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy birthday, Didi.
Love you.
One more night to another. Happy birthday, Muna Masi.
तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिनों 20,000. Happy birthday to you. 60th happy birthday to Vivian.
Happy birthday to the woman who makes 60 look 16.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy birthday and congratulations, Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy 60th birthday, Vivian. Have a good time.
Very happy 60th birthday. Stay happy and blessed. Love you. Happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Have a great day.
Hope you have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Auntie Vivo. Happy birthday, Auntie Vivo.
Happy birthday, Munna Beti. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Munu. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Bua. Happy birthday, Bua. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Didi. Have a long and healthy life.
Happy birthday, Didi. Lot of love and hugs. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Didi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Lots of love. Love you.
Happy birthday, Vivian. God bless.
Happy birthday, Vivian. All the best.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Hey Vivian, very very happy birthday to you. जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Vivian, here's wishing you a very very happy 60th birthday. God bless you. Enjoy your day and your years ahead. Love you loads.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Happy special birthday to you. Stay blessed, stay smiling, stay young. You are young forever. Enjoy.
Hi Vivian, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. May all your wishes in life come true and be always blessed and love you.
Hi Vivian, this is your landmark birthday. Have a great day. Wish you loads of happiness and good health always. Stay blessed. Take care.
Hey Vivian, wishing you a happy 60th birthday. Well, you definitely don't look 60. You look 60 going on 16. So you know what? Let's have more memories together. And since you don't drink wine, I think, well, there's some cake for you. And passing it on to you. Have a great birthday, whichever part of the world you are in. Happy birthday again. Yeah, this is for you.
Hello Vivian. Wish you a very very happy birthday. May the divine light always be with you.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Lots of love. Have a lovely day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Have a wonderful year ahead. God bless you.
Happy 60th, Vivian. Hope you have a wonderful time. Cheers to you.
Happy birthday, Munna Didi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Munna Didi. Best wishes and lots of love.
Happy 60th birthday, dear Vivian. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Munna.
Happy birthday, Vivian. God bless you. Happy birthday, Vivian. I wish you the best of health and happiness.
Hi Vivian, many happy returns of the day. Wish you good health, happiness today and forever.
Many happy returns of the day, Vivian. God bless you.
Happy 60th Vivian, we love you.
60वें जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं विवियन. बहुत बहुत प्यार से है.
Hey Munna, many happy returns of the day. Happy 60th to you.
Happy birthday, Didi. Love you. Keep smiling.
Happy birthday, Masi.
Hi Vivian, a very happy 60th birthday to you. Have a wonderful celebration. God bless you.
Happy birthday Vivian, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Vivian. May this bring loads of happiness in your life. Have a good day.
जन्मदिन तुम्हारा मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको, बधाई हो बधाई, जन्मदिन की तुमको, बधाई हो बधाई, जन्मदिन की तुमको.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Have a great day and a fabulous year ahead.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Hi Vivian, a very happy 60th birthday. And when you come to India next, then we have to celebrate over a glass of champagne. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Vivian. तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू.
Happy birthday, Vivian. Life begins at 60.
Hey, happy birthday, Vivian.
Very happy birthday, Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
Hi, Vivian. Happy 60th to the liveliest and the most fun-loving person I know. जैसे हम लोग ने पहले मस्ती मारे, ऐसे ही आगे भी मारते रहें, ऐसे ही होली दिवाली साथ मनाते रहें. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday, Vivian.
Very honored to be here, to be wishing you a happy 60th birthday, dear Vivian.
Happy birthday, Vivian.
To a caring, thoughtful, loving person such as you. Your home is always open to everybody. May it always be so. God bless you.
Happy birthday.
Vivian ji, my sincere prayer to God to help dear Vivian ji to express the spirit of joy in all her thought, words and deeds. May she never yield to sadness or sorrow. God, grant that her contact with you may grow ever and ever closer and closer. Many joyful returns of the day, Vivian ji. Happy birthday to you.
इस पावन अवसर पर आपको बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. जैसा कि शास्त्रों में कहा गया है कि 3 चीज़ें मनुष्य के लिए बड़ी दुर्लभ होती हैं, जीव के लिए: मनुष्यत्व, मुमुक्षुत्व, महापुरुष संश्रय. मनुष्यता और मुमुक्षुता, महापुरुष का साथ, ये 3 चीज़ें बहुत दुर्लभ होती हैं. ईश्वर की असीम अनुकंपा से आपको तीनों चीज़ें प्राप्त हुई हैं और आपने तीनों चीज़ों का ठीक से उपयोग किया. मनुष्यता, मनुष्य का शरीर ईश्वर के द्वारा दिया गया अनुपम उपहार है. जो लोग इस मौके को अच्छी तरह से उपयोग करते हैं, ईश्वर उनसे बहुत प्रसन्न होता है. मनुष्य शरीर का उद्देश्य सामान्य नहीं हो सकता है. बाकी उद्देश्य दूसरे शरीरों से पूरे किए जा सकते हैं, लेकिन इस शरीर का उद्देश्य जो अंतिम लक्ष्य है उससे कम नहीं हो सकता. आपका निरंतर प्रयास उस लक्ष्य की तरफ है. मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आप अपने लक्ष्य में ये सांसारिक भौतिक जीवन.
Happy birthday to you. So, happy birthday to an older sister who looks younger than me. That's what you want to hear, no? No way.
Happy birthday to a sister who's got the best sister in the world. So I got your favorite, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, शरीफा. Then गुलाब का इसका हलवा, दाल का, गाजर का हलवा, मक्की की रोटी and सरसों का साग. मैं पुग्गा भी लाना चाहती थी, पुग्गा मिला नहीं. But I love you. ये वत्सला के 10 सेकंड के चक्कर में ना, this is the second take of birthday wishes. So मैं गाना गा रही हूँ. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है. तो भाई मेरी बहना तो 1000 में है, और भाई 1,00,000 में हो सकता है, बट तेरी बहना और तेरी बहना 1 करोड़ों में है.
बस हो गया ठीक है. 1000 वाली बहना ही ठीक है. हैप्पी बर्थडे दीदी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे, लव यू. ये छोटू सा मेडलिन फॉर यू, बिकॉज मेरी जो प्रीवियस प्लेट थी was full, so this is it. And even if it goes above 10 seconds, too bad. Happy birthday. Love you. Okay.
Mashti, attack.
I am.
Happy.
Special birthdays.
Biggest hug ever. No. My candle's gone. Cool.
Hi, this is take 54. Happy 60th birthday. Wish you